I
Wow.
can do.
Okay.
Okay, I'm recording now, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
So I never been, like the admin of a Zoom call, so I don't know how to stage everything, and I don't know. But anyway,
That's
we'll
fine.
see. So to do replace with family class, or some something named dependent or refugee group. I want to do something really ugly to make them mad.
Yeah.
So, okay. So, phone.
A refugee group will be better, I think, if you will make.
But you'll do it like that. You'll implement this. So the phone, email,
I
and
mean,
what?
for now,
No,
just
but this
write
is,
phone,
but to
email.
me,
It's fine.
so, but this is okay. I'm gonna do some ugly stuff, man. I'm gonna be a bad boy.
It's fine.
Okay. So there, replace with contact information class. Information class. Okay. And so email, phone, email. What else?
Okay.
Nothing else? Mabruk? For the
Yeah,
contact
it's fine
information?
now. For now, it's okay. Phone and email.
Phone and email to do.
Yeah.
Add family class. And for the moment, so I put it as a list of refugees. If you want. No?
What do you think about starting now with only one refugee and do those stuffs later with another?
Okay. So I let it like that.
We just start
Okay.
with a simple
Add
thing.
family class or
Mhm.
refugee group. Okay. Okay, just like that. Okay. I will implement the gender NM. Okay.
Yeah.
And so we decided that the convention would be to add on top of this a directory called NMs.
Mhm.
And
Or you can
yeah,
just add it in the models folder. You don't need.
yeah, it's in the models. In the models, there is
I,
a
I,
folder called NMs.
yeah. Okay. I mean, you also don't need to
To create a
an
folder, you
NM.
want to just put it in the root of
Yeah,
the models
because
folder.
NM. Yeah,
But
because NM is a code thing. You know, it's not in our.
But we agreed upon this yesterday that we would put NMs in a
Yeah.
folder.
Okay, as you like. As you like.
Honestly, I really don't care. But we just already done a pull request and we made where yeah, and because it's easy to look for to know what it's in it, Instead, because we saw in the Tarafo that there were stuff living into the root of the model, but we were like, oh, what is this? Oh, no, you have to click in it to know that it's an enum. So,
okay.
Anyway, it's not really important. It's just because there is already a pull request with an enum, so I do not want to have to merge conflict, blah, 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 blah,
Yeah.
Yeah. So gender. I have what's going on? I have nothing in it. Why? Okay. So NL, gender. But I do not have even the namespace. I have to bring
You're right. What are you using as?
It's a rider, but normally it's working properly. I don't know why it's not. Okay. Okay. And the copyright. Okay. All's good for now.
Yeah,
and
and make it public.
Oh yeah. And so okay, female. You're never putting the numbers.
Start with female. F.
Oh yeah, that's
Female, male, others, and
Other.
do you
unknown.
other? Do you have another one?
Other and unknown.
Unknown.
None.
It is UN.
No, under other. It's
Okay.
like to be.
That's gonna be the last one. Yeah. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, I see. Alphabetic order. Okay. You
Mhm.
never putting like the actual number of it.
Yeah, because by default it's 0.
Yeah, but if you wanna look up, like let's imagine not for gender, but for pets, we have like a list of maybe 10 pets. Would it be better to have the number on the side to see what's what?
Oh.
I didn't get what you mean.
No, forget it. Forget about it. Forget about it. So okay, we are in the refugees, and so what should I do now? It was data model, refugee, add. I'm stopping there, or do I add the migration?
Creation date and update.
Okay.
Updated, created date and updated date.
Okay. So it's a date time offset, I guess.
Yes.
Whew. This morning it was agitating. So I created date. Updated date.
Yes.
Okay. What else? Do we need something else? Is the waste here? No.
No.
Okay.
No.
You got fed up.
We have.
There is languages too. We have languages already. Gender, skill set. There is skill set. Did we put skill set? Yeah, we did. Okay, so we are good to go, I think, for the moment.
Yeah.
And so do you want me to because in the brokers, but no, it's not okay. No, but I'm stopping here. I do a pull, a commit push.
Yes, you can.
You think so?
Yeah, you can. Or
did I fetch? Attends, I don't think I fetch from the main. I didn't do it. Attends.
Yeah, I need to create new branch.
I already created it, but I need to update. Okay, and can I update this one too? No, but I created the branch from main. I'm almost sure of it. There is the build project. we can look to the git commit. So merge pull request, because Elbeck approved the test, the unit test is been merged from the main branch, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fine. You will not have conflict.
Okay.
Because we're working two different projects.
Okay, so I don't need to check out to the main branch, update it, and make sure that
No.
this branch is no. Okay.
No, this is the merging.
Okay. And like that. Nice to the commit.
Where should we?
Do you want to code, Malbrook?
Yeah, if you want.
I can continue if you want, but it's more funny if it's funnier if we do. Or you can, or maybe you can review this pull request.
Okay.
Let me go to GitHub and actually do the pull request. Yeah. So. Closes what? Closes a refugee model. Are you a contributor? I can't add you. Okay.
I am already.
Okay. So can you share your screen? Oh, no need for that.
You need to stop.
To stop mine.
Yeah, I think we discussed a lot of stuff. So you just added 2 files. So models.
Okay.
What?
So are you gonna share your screen?
Yes, just 1 second. Give me 1 second.
I hope I wasn't too much a pain in the ass.
Are you using .NET 7 here or .NET?
Yeah.
Okay, so preview. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. I just have 3 screens and
add that time logging, refugee post, add refugee group. No.
You see my screen?
Yeah.
So where is your wait. So this is so the test is here. What was your branch? This is no. I would like to add the date here in the names somehow. Okay, I think this is data model
What you're going to add as that now?
I just wanted to make some clean.
Do you want to do a shelter model?
Give me 1 second. I just want to see what was changed here. Yeah, because I saw those here.
Yeah.
That we didn't use them.
Okay.
And they are here. That's why I run it clean. So I will push this in your. So this should be pushed in your. Is it? Yeah.
Post.
I think now we are good. We need just to wait for.
So we said refugee group. We said. Damn, I should edit it. And so so do we have to create an offer model, a request model too? No, not a request one.
Not,
maybe.
Not now.
Oh, I mean, as issues, like I'm creating issues right now. I created the data, like the host model, the shelter model, the refugee group model. And I was thinking, do I create an offer model or a request model?
Yeah, host request.
Host request and a refugee request. No, a host offer and a refugee request. What do you think?
Host offer, yes, we need to have it.
Host proposal. What's better, host proposal or host offer? What do you think, Barry?
Maybe.
Host offer. Okay.
Yeah. Or maybe the host. The host is considered also as an offer. You know what I mean? Because if there is a host, so it's an offer to. It's able to be.
You're making it's too smart for me because the host it has a contact information. I see what you mean, but if we want to add features and it's just I want to do something really dumb and simple that everyone can understand. A host is a host and he has a shelter and he can do an offer on his shelter to a family group, to a refugee group. Yeah, it's really easy to understand like that. Host.
So I merge here.
Host offer. Host offer or host proposal? So I haven't decided yet.
The proposal.
Proposal, Barum, you prefer proposal?
No.
What when you're buying a house, it's an offer.
Oh yeah, when you buy it, it's an offer. Yes.
So is it OFFER?
Offer is OFF.
OFF?
Yeah.
ER.
Yeah, double F.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a host offer model. Host offer model. Yeah. And maybe we stay just with this, the host offer model, and we see later for the request. In the happy path, there is occupy state or something like that, or reservation. They're asking for reservation, but we do not need to create a model for it. We just need to change the state of the shelter. But to send information, we have an object that is representing the request to reserve or occupy. So there is a request in there. So there is an offer response and there is a request. And so offer response, but maybe the offer response is just changing the object offer. So we do not need the response as an object.
Yeah, it's the state, maybe.
Yeah, the state of the offer, and then there is a state of the shelter, and we can derive. Yeah. Okay, I think with this we can build something. We do not need to build another entity called request. But I might be wrong. I don't know. So you're not sharing your screen anymore. You're not coding.
Yeah, I wanted to see you when you are expressing something. So, where is this? Is no, here. Yeah. So, what we want to do now? Oh, you have already something here. Okay. Nice. So I will add. Should I create a new branch?
So do you want to create the shelter class?
I want to create the storage brokers.
Okay.
I mean the broker methods for the refugee.
To add refugee. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
To add and edit. So something like. What can we do? We need to add.
So what are the steps, Mabruk?
Sorry?
What are the steps that you're going to take?
Now we will create. We will write our interface.
Okay.
Our broker interface for the refugee. data set. So did I write it? Sorry, broker, storage broker, broker, and it should be partial interface. And we add our text. What can we have here? What do you think?
In the iBroker, it's insert and insert refugee, I think.
Value task.
Yeah.
So it should be insert. So wait, do we have here model?
Oh, the model. They are not merged yet.
No, this can cause problem because you see here the name is also part of your
the namespace.
Namespace.
So what? Okay. So
okay. I will tell you what the problem is. Insert.
Okay. I see. Okay. We had this problem. We had this problem with Berim. We tried to make this and we had this error, and it was saying refugee is used as a type, is part of a namespace or something like that.
Yeah. And
it's right there.
You see, if you cannot you cannot do anything because
so we
need to change.
Issue.
Yeah, we need to change one of them, and I guess
we could change this one by for Refugee.Land.core. The project would be Refugee.Land.core, we'll have to rename the repo and everything. Will it be a problem to rename at this point?
No.
Okay. Because
we can. We have to rename it because otherwise we will not.
We cannot choose refugee.
Yeah.
Would you have? Yeah, we need to use refugee. Our refugee could be.
I will keep this. Wait, I will.
Yeah, you're right. The right thing to do